let's talk about your checkout settings in Paperbell. That's where you can customize this shop page. You can change the branding colors, add your logo, a headline about your coaching offering, even your terms and conditions as linked to below. So let's check out how to do that in the back end. Inside of Paperbell, if you click on packages and then checkout settings, you can make changes to all of this. First, you can set a nice vanity URL for your shop page. We create this for you based on your account name, but you can see if your preferred shop URL is available. It can be any combination of words, letters, hyphens, anything that would work in a link. If you type something in there and save, we'll let you know if it's available, and then you will have bagged your nice, lovely vanity URL. Here, with this button, you can upload or change the logo that's on the page. Below that, you can change the colors of the buttons and the background. If you click into one of these, you can drag until you find a color that works for you. Or if you have the RGB code or the hex code, you can enter the codes for the specific color in here and get the exact branding colors you want on your shop page. Below that, you can type in a heading, and for your terms and conditions, you can either copy and paste the terms and conditions you already have, or you can just add a link to the terms and conditions page on your own website. Just to know about this, terms and conditions, that's going to be linked to from the bottom of the shop page and from all of the package landing pages that we link off to from there. And that is how you customize this lovely Paperbell shop page.